what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put a bit of tension on this pulley here so I can take the belt off, and then we'll see where we go from there. So be very careful so you don't strip this bolt. Okay, that's it. Job done. Gonna reverse this ratchet now and I'm gonna undo this bolt. Do not put plenty of pressure when undoing it. Do not strip that bolt or you'll have an absolute nightmare. At this point I can probably get a shorter ratchet, but I'm happy enough. Okay, belt is off. Feels very, very strange. The belt is not cracked. Honestly, I'm gonna have to further investigate this. I'm not really sure what the problem is. Why the belt was so loose and why the pulley was slipping. I'm gonna have to use a longer socket and a short socket. So this bolt here, I can do that with a short socket, but the pulley's in the way, so I have to do the longer one. Now, I'm not gonna mark this. There is actually a way you can tension this damping tensioner, so I'm just gonna tighten it as much as I can later on. I'm gonna put it fully to the left here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, that's off. Next step is to remove the AC belt. In order to remove the belt, I need to loosen this bolt here, which is 10 mil. It's easy enough. So I'm gonna take it off as I'm planning to do a bit of cleaning. So I'm gonna clean the engine bay, and I want to clean all these parts. They're very greasy, so that's the reason I'm taking this off completely. But if you just want to take the belt off, you can just loosen it. 10 mil bolt, 13 mil bolt. It will then yeah, that's now free, and that's the belt off. Again, the belt doesn't look too bad. Seems in good shape, so yeah, I'm not actually going to reuse them. I'm going to put new belts, even though there's nothing wrong with, well, at least one of them. The other one was slipping, so I don't know if it's just contamination or they're just a little bit longer, maybe stretched belt, or the actual damping tensioner wasn't working as it should.